Hey, it's Ray Edwards with this week's edition of the podcast. Today we're going to talk about how you, as a writer, can speed up your writing process up to 5,000 words a day. 5,000 words a day. Can you do it? Yes, you can. And today I'm going to tell you exactly how. One of the most important parts of writing as a professional, especially as an advertising copywriter, direct response marketing copywriter, is to be able to write quickly. Gary Bencivenga famously said, "I can write faster than anybody who's better, and I can write better than anybody who's faster." Speed is of the essence. Frequently, the faster writer will get the jobs the slower writers miss out on. And over time, if you develop the reputation for being good and fast, you win, hands down. And many times, opportunities for writers exist only for a short window of time. The quicker you can get the writing done, the better your chances of being the writer who wins the prize. For many writers, their top speed is 1 to 2 pages per day. That's 250 words per page, generally accepted as the word count for a single page of writing. That's 500 words a day. Here are 5 hacks or tricks you can use that can help speed you up. If you can't get to 5,000 words a day, what if you could get to half that much, 2,500 words a day? Even 1,000 or 1,500 words a day. It's a big improvement over a page or two. Here's hack number 1, pre-writing and outlines. The general rule of thumb is never write from scratch just off the top of your head. At least prepare an outline for what you're going to write about with your subject matter, 3 to 5 points you're going to make, and your summarization as a bare minimum of the bullet points you have that are going to guide your writing. Ideally, you'll have any quotes, any research you need to pull in together to make the writing complete already done. You have an outline. All you have to do is flesh it out. You might think that's cheating. You think, well, that doesn't count in my 5,000 words a day, does it? Not in your writing time, but in your preparation time. Remember the 5 Ps. Prior preparation prevents poor performance. Pre-write and outline your writing before you sit down to write, and you can get a lot more written, a lot faster every time, guaranteed. That's hack number 1. Pre-write and make outlines. Hack number 2, dictate, don't type. Why on earth would I say dictate, don't type? Because nobody can type as fast as they can talk. The average speaking rate for an American is about 150 words per minute, with gusts up to 200, which means in a given hour, even if you spend 15 to 20 minutes just futzing around trying to figure out what you're going to say, you speak for about 40 minutes out of an hour. Your output's going to be somewhere around 6,000 words. That's in 1 hour. That makes 5,000 words a day look a lot less intimidating if you've done any preparation or if you know anything about your topic at all. Speak, dictate, don't type. Writing hack or trick number 3 to write as much as 5,000 words a day. Use block time scheduling. Set aside a couple hours a day for writing or dictating if you're taking my advice, and do nothing else except that during that time. Take an hour, take 2 hours, set it aside, turn off all your notifications, close your office door, take away all distractions, and do nothing but look at your outlines and your pre-writing and dictate that day's writing as efficiently as you can, as effectively as you can, with full focus on what you're saying, so you have to do a minimum amount of editing when you have it transcribed. It's a lot easier to edit a 5,000 word document than it is to sit down in front of Microsoft Word with a blank page and type up 5,000 words. Try it sometime, and I think you'll see that I'm right. You get a lot more done, a lot faster than you ever thought possible. Hack number 4 for writing faster as much as 5,000 words a day. Write first, edit later. Now, I know what I said about being prepared, about pre-writing, about having outlines, about speaking intentionally as if you're giving a speech publicly. You even want to slow down as you dictate because you'll be more firm in your choices of words, sentences, and how you express yourself. However, don't edit while you're writing or while you're dictating. Don't think I can say that better and back up and do it again. Just keep going, because if you stop to edit, you'll slow yourself down tremendously. Editing happens later. Right now, you just want to get the first draft on paper. So write first, edit later. And finally, hack number 5 for writing as much as 5,000 words a day, or at least writing a lot faster than ever before. Set goals. Have a goal for how many words you want to write today, and keep track of how many words you write. Track your word count. Almost every text editing app has a way to track word count. I use the Ulysses app to do all my writing, and one of the reasons why is because it has a great goal feature that lets you track how much you want to write each day and how close you get to that ideal. You can definitely keep track of how much you wrote today, how close you are to finishing your overall project, and how many words per day you actually produce. Remember, that which gets measured gets improved, so have a word count goal, keep track of it, and shoot for those high numbers. Those are my 5 tricks for writing faster, up to 5,000 words a day, or at least twice as fast as you write now. Number 1, pre-writing and outlines. Number 2, dictate, don't type, because you speak much faster than you type. Number 3, use block time scheduling. Number 4, write first, edit later. And number 5, set goals and track your word count. What about you? Do you have tricks for writing faster? Let me know what they are. Put them below in the comments. I look forward to hearing back from you. If you have any questions, ask them. I read every comment. I answer as many as possible. I look forward to hearing from you. That's it for this week. Until next time, may God bless you, live long and prosper, and go write fast. See you next time.